On the top right button of your application, you can find a watch icon. Please tap on it. This brings you to the menu called My Watch. Here you can find all information of your watch. So now we go to Display Settings, tap on it. There you can find all the settings possible for your smartwatch. For example, weather, heart rate monitoring, etc. etc. And you can deactivate or activate all functions accordingly. You can even reorganize all the functions. You can drag and drop by tapping and holding the 3 gray lines. For example, here, the chronograph is first, then sleep, I want to have second, then HRM, etc. etc. So you can organize all the functions that are important for you first. Once you organized all the functions in the display settings, you can push the crown and you can see that you can swipe through all the functions accordingly.